Dumaguete City National High School is located in Barangay Kalindagan. With a total land area of 3.37 hectares, it is the biggest high school under the guidance of the DepEd Dumaguete. The school is strategically located at the heart of the city and is considered as the lead public school in the division of Dumaguete City. The school offers the following programs while promoting the culture of respect and discipline: the Open High School, Regular Junior High School, Senior High School, Special Education, and a special program in the arts. In total, Dumaguete City National High School offers 54 sections in the junior high and 21 sections in the senior high school. For school year 2019-2020, there are 2,113 students in the junior high and 889 students in senior high school, a total of 3,002 students. More than 100 teaching and non-teaching staff under the supervision of the OIC Principal, Mr. Alden A. Rabina, and the Assistant Principal Designate, Mr. Orlando Y. Umlang, is the powerhouse of Dumaguete City National High School.
The yearly Brigada Eskwela is a one-week voluntary work by the diverse stakeholders to prepare the school for the opening of the school year 2019-2020. As early as May of the same year, the school has created the different working committees in accordance with the Brigada Eskwela booklet. Advocacy and Marketing Committee visited various radio stations in the city and visited barangays and the barangays officials and the barangay captains to inform of the incoming voluntary work in our institution. The Finance Committee also identified potential stakeholders who can help us either monetarily or in materials. The School Planning and Implementation Committee identified the priority needs of our school that to be worked during the 5 days Brigada implementation and was put into action plan with the scope of work as our guide in our 5 days implementation. It was indeed a successful because from all our workings, from the students, from the teachers, from the parents, and the community, they never insisted on the time that they shared on their daily works. The key there was that collaboration was very important, as we are very happy that we are awarded as Best Implementer in the division of Dumaguete City Mega category. And it is also our honor that we are being evaluated in the regional level. And I would like to thank our BE School Coordinator, Ma'am Desiree Alvarez, and the different chairman of the different committee in the Brigada Eskwela. Of course, my beloved parents, guardians, the lolas and the lolos, the students, and the volunteers, diverse volunteers who shared their time. And I hope this will inspire us and we will continue in this honorable activity. Thank you.
I am the Barangay Kapitan of Barangay Kalindagan, and every year, actually, we are all supporting the Brigada Eskwela ng Dumaguete City National High School. And this year, unfortunately, the amount was not so big, but then the barangay officials donated from our own personal pockets just for the Brigada to be a success. Thank you.
On behalf sa mga parents, successful kayo among Brigada Eskwela. Ang mga parents cooperate kaayo sa mga nigkahinggot silag time, although kabaluta nga ang mga ginikanan nato sa atong mga estudyante thesis ilang inadlaw-adlaw nga pagtrabaho sa balay, pero nigahinggot silag time to hatag og effort, ihatag ilahang effort sa atong brigada eskwela. So far kaming mga PTA officers, naagyud mi, nagpaluyugod mi sa brigada eskwela sa eskwelahan. Aside sa mga parent, naapod mi amo ang effort mga mga officers nga gigahin aron ra pagsuporta sa programa sa brigada eskwela.
This is Desiree Teo Alvarez, the Brigada Eskwela Coordinator of Dumaguete City National High School. I can say that the Brigada Eskwela of Dumaguete City National High School is very successful because of the help of the different stakeholders who voluntarily extend their effort, time, and resources for the success of the Brigada Eskwela 2019. Thank you.
Dumaguete City National High School Supreme Student Government joined the Brigada Eskwela 2019 dated last May 20 to 26.
So, the Supreme Student Government of Dumaguete City National High School plays a big role in the Brigada 2019, which includes the cleanliness of the school, the beautification of the school grounds and gardens, and the rehabilitation of the facilities of the school.
And in addition to the contribution of the SSG during the Brigada Eskwela 2019, the SSG serves as the helping hand of the teachers in assisting the students, the parents, and the Brigada volunteers during that time. And we are proud to say that I am a City High student. I am honest, disciplined, and respectful.